excited to try this recipe. The main ingredient in place of the chicken is tempeh, and honestly, I've never heard of it until this recipe. Tempeh is made mostly of soy. It's like soybean based, and mine has some barley and millets in it as well, but they may vary a little bit. But it's really, really firm and thick. I would say it's thicker and more firm than like a tofu, firm tofu. So far, I think texture-wise, it should pass for chicken. And then we add the marinade, which we already went ahead and made.
Add cornstarch, paprika, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, rice wine, soy sauce, and marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour.
All right, so let's add this in. And the color looks...
Oh wait, you were supposed to marinate the tempeh with that sauce.
No.
Oh man.
No. Wait a minute. Excuse me for a minute. Okay, so it says chop the tempeh into chicken nugget sized pieces and transfer to a mixing bowl. Step 2. Oh, add. I was thinking like separate bowl, add like a deep breath. Okay, and then in a separate bowl, add cornstarch, paprika. Oh, that makes more sense.
So we're going to need a 1/4 cup of vegetable or canola oil or whatever oil you like best.
Yeah. My little mistake like that.
I'm just having a peaceful time stirring my tempeh. I don't know what's going on over there with Kat right now.
Are you okay? It is literally everywhere. Hot oil.
I love one pan. Let's do this. Need less dishes. I made a mistake in my marinade, other than what we just talked about, but it calls for rice wine. And in my head, I think I auto-filled it to rice wine vinegar or rice vinegar and realized I didn't have rice wine. So I thought, no problem, I'll do a substitute. And I didn't really have any of the substitutes. So I did use some white wine. I don't know if it's dry enough. So, speaking of Kat, is it general or toe?
So per Spoon University, they said that you're not supposed to pronounce the T, so it's supposed to be general so's.
I'm gonna put the T there.
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Gyro, gyro, it's all the same.
To the same pan, you're going to add vegetable oil, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, red pepper flakes, tomato paste, vegetable broth, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, honey, and a little cornstarch slurry.
I got my chopsticks ready. That's my secret. My secret is that I don't know how to use chopsticks.
What?
I'm not a really good, I know, I like fake it. I stab my food or I just like shove it
up
and scoop it up.
Oh no! Okay. There's a little backstory of Kat. She does not like tofu. So while she cleans up, I will speak for her behalf. I do not feel this has the texture of tofu. It's actually more weird. It's inconsistent. There's like texture of seeds or something in here.
It's the soybeans.
So that was a little bit.
It's actually,
is that what it is?
it's
Like
the actual
soybeans?
soybeans.
I like tofu. I don't love the texture of the tempeh, but I could live with it. Like if I felt like I want to eat better or I want to go vegan or I just want to do good for my body, I would make it again and eat it. I wonder also, Kat, if, now again, I don't know that it helps you, but instead of tempeh, maybe you can stir fry this with firm tofu.
I think it was a thumbs up in terms of prep. It wasn't that hard at all. It was pretty easy. But in terms of taste, it tastes amazing, but I'm not a fan of the tempeh, and I never have issues with in terms of texture, so I think it's just a personal preference. But if you guys are interested, I say try it.
So I guess somewhere in the middle. So I agree. Sauce is bomb. If you haven't had tempeh before, either be prepared for the more rough, crunchier texture, or maybe just do some of our suggestions of cutting it smaller and or using firm tofu and stir and fry that instead. But like with any recipe, like if you came from another country and you tried American food and you didn't like it, like I would hope that you wouldn't say you hate all American food. So I encourage you to still try your journey of eating healthier and trying other recipes. I'm sure there's one you'll find that you love and I hope you will include in your repertoire. So thanks for joining Friends Test Kitchen. Make sure you subscribe, that would mean the world to us, and then hit that bell so that way you get a notification and you don't miss any of our future videos. So until then, we'll see you next week. Bye.